Do you want to learn how to make this cool grunge shake style effect? Once after you have your clip, make sure to add an adjustment layer. First effect you want to add is tint. Put the map black to black, white map to white. Next you want to add is exposure. Once you add exposure for the start, you're going to go to exposure, put at 10.76. I'm going to open up my timeline right here. I'm going to click on our time watch to start my timeline. Start a keyframe. Head towards the beginning and head towards around the quarter of our adjustment layer. Put it down to 0. I'm going to highlight this right here, easy ease, and the next effect I'm going to add is S_shake. I'm going to head towards the beginning of our adjustment layer. Put the amplitude at 2.87. Click on a little time watch right here to start a keyframe. Head towards the quarter of our adjustment layer, so right underneath this keyframe. You want to put it at 0. Click on our motion blur, make sure it's enabled. Highlight our adjustment layer, our keyframes, and easy ease them by pressing F9 on the keyboard. Next, you want to head to your Y shake under here. Go to Y random, put it at 754. Next, you want to add is optics compensation. Click on reverse lens distort. You want to head towards about right here. I'm going to put it on 0. I'm going to click on our little time watch. I forgot to click it, but open up a keyframe. Put it on 0 at the quarter. I'm going to head towards the end. Right here. I'm going to put it at 55. Make sure the FOV orientation's at horizontal. I'm going to zoom out a bit. I'm going to highlight our keyframes and F9 to easy ease. Next, you're going to want to add is radial blur. Find it. Where is it? It's right here. Put it on a zoom, quality on high, and then you are going to want to follow the same keyframes as optics compensation. So once you have that right there, I'm going to click on the amount. I'm going to put it at 25. So let me go do it about right here. Then I'm going to head towards about right here and then put it to 0. Then I'm going to head down to noise. Add noise. Put it at 17. And once after adding noise, this should be your final result. If you guys learned something new from this video, make sure to subscribe, like, or leave a comment, and have a good day.